Welcome to My TMS, where we offer hope and relief for those struggling with major depression. Today, we'll take you through the process of receiving TMS therapy. It all starts when you reach out to My TMS, either by phone or through our website. Our friendly team will be ready to assist you and schedule a consultation for you with a licensed clinician. This consultation is an important step to assess your needs and determine if TMS therapy is a good fit for you. If the clinician determines that TMS therapy is suitable for you, they will schedule a mapping session to begin your TMS journey. During your mapping session, a board-certified doctor will use advanced technology to identify the precise areas of your brain that will receive magnetic stimulation. After your mapping session, it's time to start your TMS treatment plan. This plan typically consists of 30 to 36 visits, 5 days per week. But don't worry, TMS visits are quick, taking anywhere between 3 and 18 minutes. Our TMS rooms are designed to create a relaxing and spa-like atmosphere, so you can sit back, unwind, and make yourself comfortable. Many patients even choose to listen to music or read a book during their treatment. You can even bring your pet with you. Once you've completed all your TMS sessions, it's time for a re-evaluation, and the results are often incredibly encouraging. Many of our patients experience a significant reduction in depressive symptoms, while others find complete relief. At My TMS, we're dedicated to providing you with FDA-approved TMS therapy, which has been proven effective in treating depression, especially for those with treatment-resistant depression. Reach out to us today and take the first step towards a brighter tomorrow. My TMS, your path to healing starts here.